Welcome to the video tutorial series on setting up RadioDJ with an alternative database other than MySQL. We're going to actually be using MariaDB for this setup, and it's a little bit different of an install, but we've been running it here at Stream 101 for a little bit now, and it seems to be just as stable, if not more stable, than MySQL, and it appears to use less resources. So I've already gone ahead and downloaded the 3 files that we're going to need to get our station set up. First one is going to be this MariaDB. We're going to go ahead and open that. We'll go through this here. Go ahead and read through your terms of use. Once you've read through that, go ahead and check that box. Hit next. I'm just going to leave everything as default when we're setting this up. So we're just going to go ahead and click next all the way through. Now this is important that we set a root password. And you want it something to be secure that other people are not going to be able to guess, things like that. One important note here is the enable access from remote machines for root user. That is not the most secure way to set up a database at all. We're going to leave that unchecked, and in one of our later videos we're going to go ahead and show you how to hook back into the database for certain website functions such as song requests and things of that nature. So after you set your password, go ahead and click next. We're going to go ahead and leave all of this standard. This pool buffer size will change depending on your specific computer that you're installing this on. It tries to pick a decent amount of memory to use, and it sets it automatically. As you can see, most of this is a drop-in replacement for MySQL, so it's going to function just as MySQL or MySQL. We're going to leave these ports standard, and this is something that if you decide to change this port, you need to take note of it. If you're going to be hooking up to the database, with RadioDJ, we're going to need to know that port, as well as any port forwarding you're going to be doing for any websites you might be hooking in. Go ahead and we'll click next. I'm not going to enable the feedback plugin at this time. If you'd like to, go ahead and check that box. We're going to install this. Should take a little bit to install, depends on the speed of your machine. I have a fairly quick machine here with solid state hard drives, so the installation process is pretty quick on my end. But we're going to go ahead and let this finish. We'll press finish. Alright, so now I've made sure that I recorded that root password that we set up earlier. Next thing we're going to do is extract the zip folder that I've already downloaded RadioDJ for. I'm just going to right click this and then extract this folder. Open this up. We have this RadioDJ folder here. I'm going to go ahead and copy, and I'm going to paste this right into the root of my C drive. So now RadioDJ is going to be installed right here. Go ahead and double click this. Here's the README here for the installation for RadioDJ. We're not going to do that at all. We're just going to go straight into this setup folder, straight into database setup. Now here's where it's important that we take notes of this here. We're going to create our root password, add this here, validate. The MySQL server is detected as online, but it's telling you right here that RadioDJ doesn't exist, so your only option is to install the database. You're going to want to take note of that database, and if you decide to change the name for any reason, make sure you write that down. We'll press install database. It's just letting me know, again, that if it already exists, it's going to be overwritten. It obviously doesn't. It says it right there. Press OK. Installation's completed. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. And now we should be able to go ahead and launch RadioDJ. Now, the first time we launch it, if we didn't have the database set up properly, none of this would open. So, we have our installation done here as far as just getting everything set up. We'll close back out of this, and now we want to install an encoder. So I'm going to go back into my folder here. I downloaded the AltaCast, which is a much better replacement than Edcast. It's like the new Edcast. We've got to open up this folder, and it's already got the folder structure that we need in order to just copy and paste this. As you can see, this last folder is called root. We're going to copy and paste this right into our C RadioDJ. This is the root folder that they were talking about. We'll right-click paste. And we're going to go ahead and replace the destination files. Now the next time we open RadioDJ, we're going to have that plugin already installed. In order to activate it, it's right up here by default. We have it right here. Now in order to add your streams, you just press the plus button and you just fill out this information for your encoder. You pick your bit rate, your sample rate, same settings as you would for setting up a stream on Edcast. This also gives you the option to go Shoutcast 1, 2, or Icecast, and a variety of different formats, regular MP3 or AAC+, which has a really nice quality. If we go over to Icecast, again, we can do the Ogg Vorbis or Opus streams as well. You want to fill this out according to your stream host specifications. For Stream 101 clients, all of this is available in your welcome email or in the Media Control Panel, found by going to our website and clicking on Media Control Panel. The next thing you're going to want to do is change this YP settings. If you want this a public or private stream, most people are going to want this a public stream. The nice part about this feature is we don't have to set up a song title export. If we leave this auto title checked, it's already going to put the song information according to the RadioDJ setup in there and broadcast, or as it's broadcasting the stream, it's also going to push out that song title information. Your stream name is obviously your station name, stream slogan. If your station has a slogan, don't forget your station URL and your genre so you can be listed in the appropriate directories. Once you have all that finished, hit Save Stream. It'll show up in this area here. We'll right-click that and hit Start Encoders. Our next video that we're going to be having shortly will be showing the full setup of this, but this video is mainly intended to set up the alternative database MariaDB with RadioDJ and just getting that AltaCast plugin installed. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll talk to you soon.